Innovative Therapies Days is a very translational congress which aims to share experience about how to transfer biotherapy from the bench to the patient's bedside. During 2 days there is a mix of scientific conferences and an exhibitor's village where people can discover specific services and technologies in the field. Our goal is to bring together all the actors of the cell therapy sector, academics, clinicians, biotech, technology and service providers like CDMO.
The format of the conference is really nice, that it gives space for everyone to speak with each other. I think there are times at conferences where you think a lot of the real engagement happens outside of the sessions, and so it's nice to have time that's really set aside for those meetings and not sort of squeezed in between the speeches.
It's a very nice opportunity to see what are the current development for new therapies. It's a way to see that different type of startup companies are facing the same type of issues.
My talk was about an academic CAR T-cell product that we are developing in Barcelona and that we are trying to export to other countries. So we're now in the preparation of a European trial, and Besançon will be the manufacturing site for our product in France. We chose Besançon precisely because of their experience in ATMP manufacturing.
For such a small city, relatively speaking, it's very impressive how many companies there are here, how innovative they are. Really impressive work, innovative, and congratulations to this effort.
I really enjoy the mix of the academics and the biotech. It's not so often that we get both of those groups into the same space, and so there's a lot of learning and a lot of discussion that happens.
It's very important to interact with colleagues, not just during the presentation and the questions you may be asked, but also during coffee breaks and lunch. You interact with potential partners in the future, and that is very, very enriching.
So I really enjoyed seeing some of the machines that they are coming up with now. It's really good to see what they look like in real life. And then having really in-depth discussions with CDMOs and other vendors on how they can help small biotechs succeed in this space here in Europe, coming from the US.
For us, as a sponsor of this Congress, this is really great because we've got a talk, so we let people know what we think. Having the exhibition village gives us the opportunity to show to everyone what we just discussed. So it's really a great mix, honestly, yes, indeed.
The atmosphere has been great so far. It's been a really high level of scientific discussion and a real sense of collegiality between people really wanting to kind of share and to connect across the work that they're doing.
Just because of this very informative and interactive character of this meeting, that is really quite rare.